Hey guys, this is Geethanjali. In the last video, we learned about polygenic inheritance, and in this video, we'll be learning about pleiotropy. So, pleiotropy is a condition in which we see that a particular gene affects many characters or many traits, and thus many phenotypes. So, the gene which affects multiple phenotypes is called the pleiotropic gene. Okay, and their underlying mechanism is very simple. So in most cases you will see that this particular gene has an effect on many metabolic pathways when it becomes dysfunctional. Okay, and that is why it will contribute to many different phenotypes. So an example given here in the NCRT is phenylketonuria. So in this condition, in this disease, a gene which codes for an enzyme called phenylalanine hydroxylase becomes dysfunctional, or you can say damaged. Okay, so because of this, the enzyme is not produced, and our phenylalanine which is there, it gets accumulated. And due to this accumulation, a lot of metabolic pathways get affected. And this leads to the manifestation of symptoms like mental retardation, okay, hair fall, and even reduction in the skin pigmentation. So you see, one single, gene is giving rise to so many symptoms, and that is why we put this phenylketonuria, this disease, as an example of pleiotropy.